Imagine turning a mere $100 into a fortune. Sounds impossible? Let's meet John, a regular guy who did just that. John, like many, started with only $100 in his pocket. But rather than spend it, he thought, why not make this money work for me? He began his investment journey by diversifying his portfolio. A bit of gold here, some index funds there, a dabbling in real estate investment trusts, and even buying and selling items for profit. He didn't stop there. John also ventured into individual stocks and dipped his toes into the realm of cryptocurrency. Every step of the way, he took calculated risks, conducted thorough research, and armed himself with patience. Over time, his initial $100 investment grew, and so did his wealth. John's story shows us that starting small doesn't mean thinking small. It's about taking that first step. In the words of J.P. Morgan, gold is money, everything else is credit. Let's delve into the golden opportunities that lie within investing in gold. This precious metal is known for its stability, acting as a shield against inflation. When economic times get tough, gold often shines the brightest, providing a safe haven for investors. It's like a security blanket, always there to catch you if you stumble. So don't underestimate this timeless asset. Remember, even the smallest gold nugget can hold great value. Warren Buffett once advised, "A very low-cost index is going to beat a majority of the amateur-managed money or professionally managed money." So, what exactly are these low-cost indexes he's referring to? They are known as index funds, a type of mutual fund that replicates the performance of a specific financial market index. This could be the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, you name it. The beauty of index funds lies in their diversification and low cost. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you're spreading your investment across a wide array of stocks, mitigating risk. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Think of REITs as the index funds of the real estate world. They allow you to dip your toes into real estate investing without needing a mountain of capital. You're essentially buying shares in a portfolio of properties. As they say, slow and steady wins the race. Gary Vaynerchuk, a renowned entrepreneur, often says, "Flipping is the rawest form of entrepreneurship." And he's right. The thrill of buying and selling can be an exciting and lucrative way to invest. This could be anything from vintage items, collector's pieces, to digital assets. Imagine finding an old comic book at a garage sale for a few dollars, then discovering it's a rare edition worth hundreds, or purchasing a digital artwork as a non-fungible token and selling it for a significant profit as its value increases. But it's not just about luck, it's about understanding the market and the value of items. You need to know what people want and how much they're willing to pay for it. It's about spotting opportunities where others don't and being ready to take calculated risks. In the world of buying and selling, one man's trash could indeed be your treasure. As the famous trader Jesse Livermore said, "The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything, but the value of nothing." The world of individual stocks and cryptocurrency is indeed a high-risk, high-reward arena. The potential for significant returns is intoxicating, but with great potential comes great risk. For the uninitiated, the volatility of these markets can be overwhelming. Prices can skyrocket in the blink of an eye, only to plummet moments later. This is why it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand market trends before jumping in. Remember, in this game, it's not just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the inherent value of your investments and the factors that drive their price. It's also about knowing your limits and never investing more than you can afford to lose. In the high-stakes game of stocks and crypto, knowledge is your best bet. Investing is a journey, not a destination. As we've seen, starting small with just $100, doing thorough research and diversifying investments based on personal risk tolerance are critical steps in this journey. In the future, we'll explore more topics to help you navigate this path. We'll master technical analysis, understand market trends, and much more. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of investing. Remember, your journey towards financial freedom starts with that first $100.